Please be seated.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ano kayang tamang formula? In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit? Po ba? Or in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit? Alam nyo, nung nag-aaral ako ng liturhiya, nalaman ko po na ang tamang formula ay in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Well, grammatically, wrong po siya. Pero doctrinally, right. Grammatically wrong, pero doctrinally right. And here we are not talking about grammar anyway. We are talking about doctrine. Doctrine. Mayroong dalawang and. Ang salitang and ay conjunction. Specifically, coordinating conjunction. At ang definition po pag sinasabing coordinating conjunction is a type of conjunction that connects grammatically equal parts of a sentence. So, connector po siya. Ibig pong sabihin, ang Diyos Ama ay related sa Diyos Anak at sa Diyos Espiritu Santo. Pag ginawa mong comma, parang hindi na related yon. Kailangan ng dalawang and. Now, I am telling you this na dahil ngayong araw ay sineselebrate po natin yung Trinity Sunday. Isang doktrina po na kung saan tinuturuan po tayo na we have one God, may isang Diyos, with three divine person. Lahat equal. Lahat equal. And the gesture na we make in expressing this belief every day is the sign of the cross. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Itong gesture na ito, we express almost in all occasions every day. Almost in all occasions every day. Naalala ko yung isang pari sa amin na literally in-apply niya ito. One time he was driving a motorcycle, single. This one is a true story. Single na motor. At nung dumaan siya sa simbahan, ang accelerator po ng motor ay nasa kanan. So ginawa niya, nilipat niya ngayon yung left hand niya dito. Sumemplang siya ngayon. But at least, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Natawa yung paring yun nung kunikwento niya eh. Sabi niya, Katoliko talaga ako. He made the sign of the cross. We make the sign of the cross in almost in everything we do. Ang ibig pong sabihin, when we make a sign, the sign of the cross in everything we do, that we are always in God's presence. In the presence of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Pag nagbe-bless tayo ng food, we make the sign of the cross. When we are about to travel, we make the sign of the cross. When we pass by a church, we make the sign of the cross. Yung ibang pare, pag dumadaan sa cemetery, we make the sign of the cross. Kahit si Aling Junicia, she makes the sign of the cross. Basketball players, they make the sign of the cross. In the celebration of the sacraments, in the Mass, we make the sign of the cross. Kanina nung nagsimula tayo, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. We put ourselves in God's presence. We put ourselves in God's presence. Whenever we do this, we acknowledge the presence of the Holy Trinity in our lives. We invoke them. We call on them to be present in us in everything, every day. The Holy Trinity expressed in the gesture of the sign of the cross means that God is with us always. In our joys, in our sufferings, and in our hopes, He is with us always. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.